Morning.
Morning.
We are off to
Miami.
brain blank.
Yes.
So yeah, from T5, otherwise known as the Horse's Shed.
The horse shed, yeah.
And yeah, we need to go, I think, down the other end because we need to go and check in. So time to go. So what's that, Josh?
Playing what we're going on today.
That's what?
Playing what we're going on today.
It's the plane we're going on today. It's a bit small.
No. Well, when you get
That's
close,
tiny. I don't think I can fit in there.
when you get close to it, it gets very, very big.
Oh, it's that, is it? So as we get closer, it gets bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It does.
And like real life, in real time.
In real life. Okay, shall we go?
Yeah.
Let's go to find Papa. Someone's watching me. Hello. Oh, look at that sun. That sun is lovely. And our sun.
That is sun. This sun's
I just realised that our sun's behind us. But yeah, so yeah, we're just, I'm just breathing in the sun. I'm going to get more in Miami, I hope.
I know.
But yeah, so apparently the lounge in A was really busy.
3 people probably.
It was dead. But we're going to go over to the B gates, have a look over there, and then I think she said it goes from like C55, so we've got time to kill, so we're just going to kill time somewhere. Oh, that is so nice, that sun. Oh.
We were lucky enough to get us all into the B Gates Business Lounge. It's often quieter than the lounges in the main terminal.
Welcome to Terminal 3, I mean 5C.
There she is, Big Bird.
Justin, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready to be a cattle?
Oh gosh, it's cattle and dual cattle class.
Cattle class in the cattle class.
And never change. Is it a winged creature of the air?
Or perchance a celestial contrivance navigating the skies?
No, ma'am. That's a British Airways A350.
But we're on A380.
Even bigger than 850.
Yep.
After a short taxi, we were on our way to Miami.
That has to be the most well-read safety card.
Safety first.
God.
The flight over was actually pretty good, and shout out to our lovely crew. We'll have a full review and vlog series of our cruise on MSC World America coming out soon, so make sure you're subscribed. Sad. It's the end of the cruise as we know it. It's the end of the cruise.
Copyright, like royalties for this. It's his
What?
song.
That one's not his song. No, his is a sad song.
Sad,
Sad. And the cruise.
Feeling
Really sad. Yeah. A perk of Yacht Club is that you can disembark when you're ready, so we waited until the very end. A short taxi ride later, we arrived at our hotel on South Beach. Moxy hotels have basic rooms but great facilities, now great for a short city break stay. This hotel had an amazing swimming pool, oh, and a bar. Stay tuned to see the cocktails.
We are on Ocean Drive. This is much more how I imagined Miami.
Yeah, because when we're in the downtown, I was like, what's this?
It's very
And then
stuffy
it's
and
like-
formal in the downtown bit, and I get it, it's a
Yeah.
financial bit. But yeah, this is basically Ocean Drive and Miami Beach. So yeah, our hotel room wasn't ready, so we're still in the Cruise Boys outfits.
We're
and stuff.
advertising.
So we're doing free advertising for ourselves. So. But we did get some sunscreen. We needed more sunscreen, so we just reapplied the sunscreen. But yeah, we're going to explore, I think, 'cause this is kind of cool. Probably stop in one of the bars, have a
drink.
beveragino.
Beveragino.
And then, yeah, I don't know, go back to the hotel when it's ready. We can use the pool. That was really good, actually.
Yeah.
There's all weed everywhere. This is really bad.
I know.
But yeah, so we can't check it. Well, you could drop our bags off, but it was a bit too early for the room, which I get. It's only like 11 o'clock. But we could use the pool already, which was really cool. So we can go back, chill by the pool a bit. When our room's ready, have some lunch first, have a wander.
Cool.
And then we're going to go and watch the ships sail away later.
I would have to say that Miami has got, it's just the best
It's
of
a
all
very cool
worlds.
vibe. Look at it. Look at all the buildings, all the Art Deco buildings. I love it.
But,
Look at it all.
from cruise wise, the port, the city, the port, and the airport is all so close together.
It's a really well
It's just a
designed.
really
It's
well.
perfect for cruising. I can understand
is.
why it is the cruise capital of the world, effectively. Because, yeah, Barcelona's good, but this is on another level.
This is on
so
another level.
It's
yeah.
very smooth, very slick. So, yeah, this is really cool. So I think we're going to enjoy our last day and catching a few final rays, although I don't think we need too much. So we're definitely staying out of the sun a bit today.
Cool.
See you in a bit.
Muscle Beach is awesome, and well, we could have spent hours here enjoying the view and working out, of course. I've done my bit, haven't I?
Yeah, you're a little bit pacier than the average person here, though.
Look at how white I am.
I know. You're so white.
Right, let me try and do some chin-ups.
Come on then.
Don't forget to also visit the famous Miami Beach with its beautiful sand and stunning lifeguard stations.
Miami Beach. Y'all love Cruise Boys now. Y'all love Cruise Boys. Oh, I need a drink.
Yep.
It's breeze is lovely, but it's hot
It's
here.
hot.
It's definitely hot. I mean, like Justin's even taking his top off. I mean, any excuse to take his top off. Anyone would think he's been working out for the past
Stop it.
yeah, you know. So of all the things on Miami Beach Justin wants to show everyone, it's a trash can. I'm not sure why, but I'll flip you around and you can see why.
You can't just put rubbish in here. You've got to go.
Oh, I've got to pose it in there, yeah. Oh. But they don't have that on the recycling. Is that because it's not quite so muscly?
It's like.
Oh God.
Just say about me, Joshua.
So don't beat yourself up.
About what?
With how muscly you are.
Why?
Or you can't get a six pack.
I'm going to go get a six-pack. I'm going to go get a six-pack of Pepsi.
I've already got a 6-pack of beer.
I'm going to go have a six-pack Pepsi.
Mine's shrinking. Was an 8-pack. It's now 6-pack. We have been shopping. And actually, more exciting for me is I fit into clothes and stores now. And in fact, the best thing ever just happened. I had to get a smaller size.
Yeah, I know.
It's even better. But now we're going to go and ruin that by getting a Slurpee from
Oh, we need
7-Eleven.
Slurpee.
Because it's also really hot. And then we're going to go sit by the pool.
Yep. Slurpee! What flavour would you choose?
That's good Slurpee.
Slam it. I've waited so long for Slevin.
It's not as good a flavours, I think, as the Aussie ones, but still, that's good Slurpee.
I love Slevin.
Well, it's in a big gulp cup, which is kind of weird, but cool.
As you can see, our room at the Moxy was basic, but clean and functional. We will be definitely back. Having been inspired by Muscle Beach, we headed to the gym and Josh headed to check out the pool.
Will you stop horsing around?
I'm sweating.
Will you stop horsing around? We've got proper gym to do here. Some of us are trying to do proper workouts here, and this one's just larking around, flipping over himself. Some of us are trying to work out here. Do you mind?
Is that enough sweat and workout for you, Tristan? After a much needed shower and relax, we headed down to South Point Park to admire and wave goodbye to the cruise ships.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be old.
Josh was starving, so we headed up Ocean Drive for some food.
Show us your new shirt. Oh, look at his new shirt. Daddy? Where are we? We're at the American
Bistro
Oh, the American Bistro. Yeah?
on Ocean Drive.
We are in Miami. We just realised that all the restaurants along here are like all different themes, but they all sell the same food. So it's a bit of a misconception. Because I went
All
to,
4 or 5, but it's
I went-
one massive hotel behind.
it is, and the thing is, I went to the Greek, and there's like not one Greek thing on that menu. So that's just weird.
Clam chop.
Oh, yeah, and maybe Greek salad, but it's here as well.
Not the healthiest choices, but we are on holiday. Whoa, what a cheese pull. Ocean Drive at night is amazing, and check out the cars. Our hotel has this awesome rooftop pool area. Sadly, it's only open during the day, so we headed down to the Serena bar to enjoy those cocktails.
Cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind. Cause I know
Okay, maybe a few cocktails.
According to that, you're under 5'9".
Good morning from Miami. I'm off doing the breakfast run. Gonna go to multiple shops because 7-Eleven was raided. So yeah, gonna go and get some protein shakes. Nice thing about where we are staying is that it's just convenient. There's a CVS and there's a 7-Eleven, so most of our needs are met within about a 2-minute walk, which is great. Tristan's off having a shower, I think. Josh, so lucky if he's out of bed. And do a bit of the hop on, hop off today and see a little bit more of Miami. So let's go see where the day takes us.
We love a hop-on, hop-off bus. They are a great way to explore a new city, especially if you are on a slight time limit too. Driving through Miami feels like a movie set. The building architecture is stunning. The design district, Wynwood Walls and Little Havana are places we will be visiting next time we're in Miami. They look so cool. Sadly, with the causeway and cruise ships coming into view, it was nearly time to pick up our bags and head to catch our flight back to Blighty. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, like, comment and share.